So if you own a Qidi iFast, you're going to get one, and you're going to want to know about this upgrade. There's gaps at the back and the front, and you tend to lose filament, your tweezers, scraper, that sort of thing in it. So I decided to design these vents, and they're secured in there with two-sided tape, printed in two parts on the Qidi iFast using a tough PLA. And you can see I did the front as well. Just kind of rotate here. Give you another look. Secured again with two-sided tape at the bottom. And then along the front edge, you can see there's a channel built into it, and it just snaps right on. Right along the front edge. So they're about at a 30-degree angle. And so far, so good. Really happy about this upgrade. If you want the files, let me know. I'm more than happy to send them to you. Give you another look at the back. Have a great day, guys. Take care.